Please, I want you to take your time and watch this video.
Today, I want to talk about the conviction and sentence of Ndi Igbo by the federal court in Abuja. Well, fact number one, this is a political trial for the simple reason that the allegation of terrorism could have been levied against many Nigerians, either Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, even the OPC in Lagos. I was lawyer to Frederick Fashion, lawyer to several of them, Evangelist Elijoko, several of the leaders of OPC, and I know the level of violence. Two, this is also a trial that has been unfair in many ways. But the real question is this. The trial of Ndi Igbo's conviction is a political trial of Ndi Igbo, for the simple reason that even if those allegations are true, there still would have been no trial. As many Nigerian terrorist enablers, those who have spoken in favor of terrorism, are free. Now, this is where it comes home. Ndi Igbo are facing persecution and have been tried politically. But we should resist every anger to turn this into violence or killing the Southeast. It's a trap to destabilize the region. And so the first lesson is don't do it. Second, Ndi Igbo is being tried because they are politically powerless. So this is the time for all Nnamdi Kanu supporters and friends who are angry to come. Let's build a strong political movement, take power in the Southeast, and bring governors and senators who have the guts, the competence, and the ball to defend, protect, and ensure equal justice for Ndi Igbo. Nnamdi Kanu's conviction is a conviction of Ndi Igbo politically, and it shows political weakness. It's time now to turn this anger and outrage into strong political movement to win power in the region, to bring governors and senators and other leaders who can stand up, who knows that we are oppressed, we are a victim. Don't.
Biko na ka were na ozi a nwoke a jiri wee kpọrọ ihe. Nwanne m ọbụghị gị awa onye iro m. Ọbụghị mụ awa onye iro gị. Ịhụta m ka nwanne m ahụta gị ka nwanne. Agaghị eji because of ndị a na-achị achị na-akpa agwa ọjọọ gị hụta mbe gị batọrọ m si na ụmụ abụ nsogbu gị. Ma na m sị gị enwere n'onwe gị. Na nkwugodi na enwere n'onwe gị cannot stop you from inwere onwe ma ọ na ị ga-enwere. Ebe iwu anyị na ka anyị channel right strength anyị n'ebe ndị emere elect na ndị emere impose on us ka ha chịwa anyị. Ihe a bụ ndị mesịrị m narị onye ọbụla. Bikonu ka hapụ continue na-egbuchiche onwe anyị ndị iro na-achị ọchị. Ndị wu problem anyị our government, ndị anyị mere elect na ndị emere impose on us. Oge ga-eru ahụ niile dịrị united, we can march to different government houses, block or entrance. We can go to National House Assembly or every state in the block or entrance. Gwa anyị anyị chọrọ. Anaghị eme ya. But here in this particular case of Nnamdi Kanu, we are not united. Why can we united? Ebe gụwa nọkọtara hụ my own brother mee ya ihe ọjọọ tọrọ ya in the name of na-achọ ka anyị dịrị united. Ọ ga-work. But if we can avoid the masses, the government is our problem. We shall all put hands together and fight the government. So because calm down. The government is our problem. Take it anywhere. This fight, got the government, I'll win for front. Zobuka, Otana, a sentence Nnamdi Kanu. Konyo Bola, Tinolu, Kai fight was it, Hashikota sentence at Gumi, Nando to Yanine. This time out. It was in the Gumi now. Because all Runa, Maukana, and when in Chekwa, Posehala na Igbo, I will face the north. Why I was talking against the east? Because on the metotam, as I didn't know the Madame Puanama, Kai believe on no like I calm down. Forget about the young man, Kai fight Jano, Ndugu, Kai to Kwa. Bruno be now one more with your problem. Then about the Nnamdi Kanu's case, they will go for appeal within 3 months. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.